Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Big congratulations on Mcrt. Today it got verified on CoinMarketCap and we are now ranked 520. So we went from around 3,000 ranked to 520. We're coming into the top 500 coins on CoinMarketCap. Last month, Mcrt has done 1,100% gain. That's the equivalent, that's 11 times. That's the equivalent of Bitcoin going to $220,000 or the equivalent of Ethereum going to $24,000. So big congratulations, everyone. Mcrt, 11 times your money. So 1 month ago, if you put $1,000, you now have 11 times that, so 11,000. If you put in $10,000, now you have $110,000. If you put in $1 million, you now have $11 million. So big congratulations, all of my audience. If you've been following my videos for 2.5 years, I've traveled the world as I've been teaching you from my iPhone, doing all of this from my iPhone. Big congratulations to you all. And with this verification on CoinMarketCap, this is a very big thing because Mcrt got ranked the #1 gainer in the last week on CoinMarketCap. I'm going to show you that as well. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and Mcrt. Hit the subscribe button, join the communities. Thank you. And let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to for Bitcoin and it's holding on that white line, which is beautiful, exactly as I predicted. If you've been following the videos, the drop was bad, but we held on the line. We're still in this channel. If we can get a big bounce here, we can go up to 25k. And I think that's what's going to happen. Why? Because on the weekly, we're still extremely oversold. On the daily, the stochastic here, the time to be buying Bitcoin is when it's down here, below the stochastic lines. When it's above the stochastic lines, that's the time to be selling your position. And you can clearly see that multiple times. For example, if we zoom out, you can see it. So here, when it's oversold, where we are right now, below the dotted lines, that's time to be buying. Here at the top was time to be selling. You can see that before it dropped up there on Bitcoin. Here, before it dropped, you can see that it was time to be, there was time to be selling. Down here, you can see down here when the stochastic was oversold, time to be buying. So in my opinion, it's time to be buying Bitcoin here. You have to always do your own due diligence, but this is what I'm doing with my money. On the 4-hourly, we're oversold, heading up with buying volume. Hourly, we're overbought, so it could be a little bit of a pullback, but I think we're going to be heading up here after a pullback. If you opened your trade yesterday, you're massively in the profits. The trade opened at 21,000, now we're at 21,382. Move your take profit, move it into stop loss. I think Bitcoin's going to pull down to the daily, and this is a double bottom formation here. We have one spike and then another spike. That's a double bottom formation. If we can get a big amount of volume here, it could be a big movement up, back up for Bitcoin. Let's see though, but move your stop. If you want, you can open a trade here on the daily, so wait till it drops back a bit, 21,152. Stop loss below this double bottom, and then the take profit at the top of the channel. And if you can catch this, if we can break this massive downtrend here, this is a giant descending triangle. This is a descending triangle. This one, you can clearly see it here. So if we can break this massive formation and break out of here, Bitcoin can make a movement like this back to $74,000, and this is the point that can break through. It could spike people out, but the time to be selling was at 69,000 when I called the day of the top up there. The time to be buying is down here, in my opinion. That's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin, and you could set that up for a very long-term trade, and that's what I did with my Bitcoin trades. I'm set up now for a very long-term trade. So that would be 118 ratio, risking $458 to make $54,228. With 10x leverage, that would be 540 million. So that's the trade I would take on Bitcoin, everyone. You can, so opening it at 21,152, 20,694 stop loss, and take profit at 75,381 if you want to do a very long-term trade. Now let's jump into Mcrt, because this is my project. I am the founder of this and it is exploding, everyone. Look at this. Mcrt is up 9.3% today. It's less than 2 cents. It's up 8.5% against Bitcoin today. It's up 10% against Ethereum. It's now ranked 513 because we got verified on CoinMarketCap today. We are ranked 513, so we're coming into the top 100. If you've been following my videos for a while, if you've been following this project since we launched it on November 11th, you know my goal has been to go into the top 10 market cap, and we're climbing those ladders, 513 now, which is incredible for a project. Our project is big, but the community is growing. We're on Ethereum, Binance, Phantom, and we are now on Solana chain. We're CertiK audited, that's best auditing firm, $29 million market cap, still about 70 times or 55 times away from Axie Infinity's $1.5 billion market cap. And that's the thing to put in perspective. This is our market cap, 29 million. This is Solana's market cap. So I'm going to show you just comparisons. So this is Solana's market cap. Solana's market cap is sitting at 12 billion. This is Ethereum's market cap, sitting at 197 billion. This is what I'm, so buying these kind of projects is a bit different because it takes a lot of money to move them. So this is Axie Infinity, the biggest competitor, one of the biggest competitors in the space. They're sitting at 1.2 billion, the market cap. So Mcrt right now is sitting at 29 million. So that's the potential. Our volume is up 23%, 4.7 million, and we're one of the only tokens that's pulling up while Bitcoin has been falling. This is the last 7 days when Bitcoin had this big drop. MCRT went from 2 cents all the way down to 12 cents, and on the same day bounced back massively. And look at that, it's building massive pressure, volume coming in. This is the chart on the weekly. This is the chart on the monthly, up 1,100%. And in my opinion, it's getting ready to go. Pay attention to it. You can also stake your MCRT. The staking, people are going crazy with staking as well. Up 422 million total value locked of MCRT now. Different staking lockup periods, etc., and gains. And it's just doing incredible. And I'll show you some amazing stuff. So this is Mcrt. We now have 94,000 people on Twitter. Many people talking about it. This is the game trailer. This is PC. This is mobile. Now, why do I keep showing this? Why do I keep showing this, guys? Because again, what happened in the last month, 11 times on Mcrt, 1,100%. It's the equivalent of Bitcoin going from $20,000 to $220,000 in the last month. It's the equivalent of Ethereum going from $2,000 to $24,000. It's the equivalent of Solana going from $40,000 to $440. Sorry, from $40 to $440. 11 times. And we are just getting started. This, in my opinion, Mcrt is about to have a massive explosive movement. But you have to do your own due diligence, not financial advice. This is my project, but I am supporting it because it's doing amazing. We were ranked first on CoinMarketCap in Metaverse for the last 7 days with 95% growth. And this is huge. This is Metaverse on CoinMarketCap. We came first, 95% gains. The next ones are Vergochi, Deep Brain, BetU. These are the other projects that are ranked with us in the 7-day volume. So incredible. We also now on Solana. So MCRT was first on DEX Tools as well. We were ranked first, hot one on DEX Tools. You can't buy that position on DEX Tools. That's real. There's also competition to win 3 epic NFTs. You have to remember also, this is what's really beautiful. To go into the beta testing, we're expected that we're going to have people, the number of users. Theta Arena is a competitor of ours, 24 million users. So when we launch Mcrt and we launch the closed beta, to join the closed beta, you need to have 1 million MCRT, which is now around $20,000. 1 million MCRT before 1 month ago was $2,000. Now 1 million MCRT is $20,000. So you need to either have 1 million MCRT or to have one Genesis NFT. And there's about 5,000 or 6,000 of them left out of the 10,000 to be in the closed beta. So keep that in mind. Either 1 million tokens, which is now $20,000, or one Genesis NFT of the 10,000 collection to go into the closed beta. And that's something important. Pay attention. This is some of the gameplay, our team playing versus each other. We have regular game matches now with VCs, influencers, a lot of people. MCRT is now available on Solana, which is great. This is the information. Pay attention to it. MCRT is, and we now have in our chat room more than, this was a few days ago, 44,000 members now in our Telegram group. It's now available on Solana. This was me and Javan versing each other, him on Android, me on iOS. For MCRT. And we're also recommending anytime you have any competition, use your MCRT, use PancakeSwap or Trust Wallet, use your MCRT in those wallets, and like for in-game gaming, you're going to be every match you're going to be winning and losing MCRT based off your performance. But you can do that yourselves already. You can send each other MCRT over Trust Wallet. So for example, if you have a competition, you can say 1,000 MCRT, which is now $50 to the winner, and then send each other just directly from your MetaMask, your public BSC address, and send that to each other, which is incredible. So that's the information. Join us on Telegram, 44,124 members, and the group of the community is amazing. They're all helping each other, growing together. It's incredible. Good morning. Look at these are just the messages in the last few minutes. And everyone is really just excited about what's happening with Mcrt, and the community is growing so big. I'm so honored to be the founder of this project. Thank you for watching, everyone. Pay attention to it if you're my audience. Big congratulations to all, I don't know how many, there's 77,000 of you here, 50,000 of you on Twitter. Big congratulations to all who followed, and welcome the Mcrt community, which is now 94,000 people on Twitter and 44,000 people on Telegram, not including all the other socials. Welcome to the channel, and big congratulations. My goal is to compete with Facebook in the metaverse. We already got a PC, Android, and iOS version ready to play. We're in beta testing, closed beta, and to go into that public closed beta, you need 1 million MCRT or 1 Genesis NFT connection. Our goal is to be the #1 play to earn game. And it's a UBI, Universal Basic Income, what we're building also, which is a very powerful thing, because anyone with their mobile phones can play and earn MCRT anywhere in the world from any country. And some of the smart contract is going to have an inbuilt system that's taking 5% and buying back MCRT and taking 5% and putting it to a giant league every month where there's going to be prize pools of millions or hundreds of millions of dollars. That's the goal, of dollars worth of MCRT. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.